Hi viewers, it's Energy Derive again with a new project on how to make a strobe light. I want you to please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for doing that. This is the circuit diagram for the project. This is a very simple circuit you can make with an optocoupler, resistors and a capacitor with an indicator LED. The positive side of the capacitor and the 10 kΩ resistor is connected to the anode of the optocoupler. Then the 1 kΩ resistor is connected between the emitter and cathode of the optocoupler. The negative side of the capacitor is also connected to the emitter of the optocoupler. The cathode of the indicator LED is connected to the collector of the optocoupler. That's all about today's video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I'll leave the links to my previous videos in the description. Thank you for watching.